Hi, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make cannoli. Um, I found this cannoli box in a store, and it was awesome to find it already made. So I'm gonna just open it and show you how it looks like. And I bought the chocolate flavor. Open that. Wow, they had it like this, wonderfully wrapped, so it won't break or anything. That is awesome. So I'm gonna take this, and you do it one by one. So we take the box away. Now we see it. I don't have to spend hours and hours doing it. It's just beautiful right there. And right now I'm going to do the filling that we can put inside it here. So let's start. First of all, I got ricotta cheese, and the reason I flipped it upside down like this, I made some holes in the plastic cover here, and I put it upside down just to get any water in it. So now there is no water in it, and if nothing came out, just push like that, and if there's any water, just clean like that. There's not a lot, so I did that. I have 2 cans, or you can get one big one. This is 15 ounce each, so 30 ounce or 32 ounce will work too. So we get a pan, and we empty the ricotta cheese in here. Let me see if I can open it that way. Yes, wow, easy. So okay, you can take it out. I'm gonna use a fork just to take it out. Wow, that's awesome. That's one. And here's the other. Okay. So now we have those two. Just go like this. And then with the other ingredient that we're gonna add to this, we're gonna add half a cup of confectioners sugar, and it's very fine. And the reason I'm only gonna put half, cannoli is not always sweet, but it depends about your taste. If you want to put too much, a little bit, it's up to you. I'm just gonna put half a cup for this. And then I mix it. With that, we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Just a spoon. Okay, vanilla extract. Mix that. So let's review the ingredients again. We put 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 15 ounce each, or you can put 132 ounce, it's fine. I know 15 and 15 is not 32, but I don't think they sell them 30 ounce, so probably they have 32 ounce. I'm not really sure. Anyway, so it depends about the cannoli that you have, you're gonna fill. So, and to that, I'm gonna add zest 2 lemon. I already made one here, and this is the other one. So we're gonna take that zest. I zest it with this like that. So I don't want to waste your time. I did it already. So I'm going to put that here. Smells good already. Get that out of the way. So here you go. This is our filling is done. But a lot of people like to add to it other stuff. Today I'm going to add a chocolate chip to it. The mini chocolate chips, not the big ones. So let's do this. Nothing to it, honestly. Now I'm going to taste it. It's so good. So I have Nestle mini semi-sweet mini chocolate morsels. Before I do that, I just mix it again, just to make sure everything is mixed. Like this. Okay. Now we open the chocolate. I don't measure things here because you can add as much as you want to. You can add a little bit like that or more. It's up to you. So I'm just going to add those. And then the rest, I'm going to put them in a plate like this. So when we finish the cannoli, we can dip it in there. So that's, here you go. That's here. Now I'm going to mix this like that. Don't put too much chocolate because you need to taste the filling more than the chocolate. There you go. This is a little bit soft. You have to drain the ricotta like a day before, and that's what I did, but apparently I see it is very soft here. So you fill it right before your guests arrive, so it won't be soggy and ruin the way it's done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we get a cup to put the filling. Get a plastic bag like this and put it inside the cup like that, and then we fill it. So I'm going to use this to fill the cup. You see how easy that is? Okay. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to do two, one white filling and one chocolate filling. So each one will be on one side. One has chocolate, one has white filling. So here you go. That will be the bag. And we're gonna make a hole in it so we can pipe from it. Now I'll do the other one with the chocolate. So let me get another plate. I don't want to do a lot of chocolate, so I'm gonna take just half of this. And for the chocolate, I'm going to add some nutmeg, just a tiny bit, just like that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, okay, also just a tiny to give it a smell. And then I'm going to add hot cocoa hot cocoa, so I gave it the chocolate taste. So I'm taking that. As much as you want. If you want to put a lot, if you want to put little, just to give it the color. And remember that hot cocoa that also sweetened, so there is chocolate, there's a sugar in that. So we're gonna mix that, and then we're gonna put it in a plastic bag, and we'll be ready to pipe it. Put it in the cannoli. There you go. It's a chocolate filling. That looks good already. So now we bring the cup, and then we put that in there, and we start filling the cannoli. Okay. So now we're ready. We're gonna get a plate. And that's the sugar. I have sugar in this container. It was very nice to get that container. Anyway, now we're gonna get the cannoli and the cream filling that we had here. Then we cut it like that, and then we fill it from this side like this. I'm gonna do 2 just vanilla and 2 white and chocolate. So I'm gonna go like this. Okay, put that back here in the cup. Put it back in the cup like this so I can use it next time. And then get that chocolate one. Close the bag like this. Okay, and cut the side. Go. Put that back in the on top of the cup for the next one that I'm going to do. Right now, I just wanted to show you. I can dip this in a chocolate like that on this side, and I can dip that in the chocolate on the other side like that. This is the one that has chocolate and white. The other thing I could do, I'm just going to show you some variety. I have some almond slice here, or you can get pistachio, and then even with this or this, whatever that you have sharp, just cut it like that. The idea here, not to smash it totally, just to cut it a little bit. And I'll take that and I'll put it in a plate. Okay, like that. And then I'll dip the other side with that. So one side was this, one side was that. Like that, that will be awesome. You want to leave it without this nuts or chocolate or anything like that, that's fine too. But it looks really nice that way. Okay, there you go. So one side, and it looks beautiful. The other thing that we should do right now, you can leave it like that, or you can, like, let's do this. Here you go. I was gonna put it like that. Everybody have one like this. Most of the time it looks really cool, but apparently it's not gonna work here. So we just do it this way, and then we get the confectioner sugar and put that in top. Here you go, cannoli. Simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like it, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Come back next time for more videos.